Wow, really?
Yep. I have a vacuum cleaner.
And what is that, like a sex thing or something? Or you mean an actual carpet cleaner?
No. I showed up at Bad Friends one day and somebody had sent me something that I swear to God is the size of a vacuum cleaner. Right? It was like this big.
Yeah.
With all these tubes and stuff. It was a sex toy.
No.
Yeah. Of course, I took it home.
And you used it?
I plugged it in. Oh, dude, I have so many of them.
Oh.
I have so many of them. And I stick it in.
And what does it play? It just Beethoven's or whatever?